If you are a content creator or want to be content creator or business owner or marketeer and want to market some products and services by video in minutes without experience in video editing or motion graphics, so you are in the right place. I am Mohammed Sabri from Way to E-Business. I am a content creator from 5 years. I have been helping entrepreneurs to improve their skills to build a successful online business. And today I want to talk with you about the best video editing and video production application in 2021. This application is called InVideo. We constantly encourage our subscribers to get started a YouTube business with our video on YouTube channel because it's the type of business that generates a sustainable income through the ads that appears on the videos in YouTube. Based on comments and discussions with subscribers, it was found that the barriers of starting a YouTube business are limited to the long time it takes to learn video editing or motion graphics to create videos professionally. But today, I will provide an exceptional application that makes you create professional videos without any experience in video editing or motion graphics. This application is called InVideo. What is InVideo? InVideo is an online application to edit and produce professional videos with a huge licensed library of premium templates, videos, images, and music. So, you don't need any experience in video editing or motion graphics to create a professional video and publish it on social media like YouTube, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Because InVideo is working with the very basic simple steps as you will see in the tutorial section of this video. Before we go to the computer screen, you have to know the unexpected benefits of InVideo library. InVideo contains more than 4,000 templates in all categories like video intro, outro, brand promo, video ads, video presentation, and more. In addition, video and images stock by iStock and the other famous companies, and also premium audio stock. So, all library items are licensed and you never get any copywriting strike because of using it. Now we will start the first tutorial of InVideo. You can access InVideo by the link in the description below if you want to access all premium resources in a competitive price. Though the standard price is very affordable for everyone, only $10 per month. I give you a 25% discount with my coupon code in the description. Let's go to the computer screen. When you open InVideo, you have 3 options to start depending on the video you want to create. First option is a video based on template. InVideo contains more than 4,000 templates were organized in 17 sections. You can explore all categories by over the mouse here and click on View All. Here is all categories you have in InVideo and how many templates in each category. 1,000 templates, 146. You have 17 categories. Let's back to the home screen. The second option, text to video. This is making your post very different and attractive post because you can create your post script to animated post. And we will see this in its tutorial. The third option is a blank canvas. In this option, you can start creating your video from scratch, and we use this option to edit our main videos. Here we will start with pre-made templates. After you choose one of the 3 options, you have to choose your video dimension. You have 3 dimensions. First is a wide with aspect ratio 16:9. This is a full HD dimension, for example. This dimension is suitable for you YouTube video and other widescreen dimensions. The second dimension is a square dimension. This is suitable for Facebook videos, for example. Third is a vertical dimension. This dimension is suitable for Instagram, for example. Whatever the dimension you choose, you can duplicate your video and convert it to another dimension with 1 or 2 clicks. When you go to your projects here, by clicking on the projects. When you get your mouse in these 3 dots and click on it, you will find duplicate and choose the dimension you want to do your video with. Let's back to the home screen, and here you can search for a specific subject for your template. For example, easy website design. And hit enter from keyboard. You will get 28 templates found. I'll start with the first one. To start, click on this arrow. Preview will start automatically. Here you can change the dimension of the video like square video. And you can change the dimension to vertical video. And you can change the dimension to vertical video. In the tutorial today, let's start with the wide screen video. To edit on this template, click Use this template and wait for seconds to upload the template. Here you can see other templates to add. This is the timeline, which is the place you can edit your template. Note that the template is splitting in 5 scenes and you can add 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want, up to 15 minutes. To edit the first scene, click on it to select. Here I click to the second scene. Click on the first scene, which is selected. You can edit it. To change the text, you can double click the text and make your changes. You select it by dragging. In this text, you have 2 types of text. Highlighted text is a purple text and normal text is a black text. I select all text by dragging after I double click on it. Very simple. In the edit tab, here you have 2 tabs, layer tab and edit tab. In the edit tab and go down to the text, click this arrow. Here is the text. You have 2 types of text, 3 tools, and the other text is a normal text. In the color section, you can change it too. For example, if we want to change the purple to red, you see it's changed. Of course, you can change the color of the background of the box. You see this box, it has a background. You can change this color to change it to gray or light purple. But why it's not applied? Because here the opacity with 0. If I increase the opacity, you see, decrease the opacity. This is about the color of the box. If you want to change 3 tools to make quick, change it to professional website. Now, by this way, I change the text in the first scene. To delete any item of the scene, like a small purple circle, here is the layer tab. You can find circle element small. Click on this lock to unlock the layer for editing. It's selected. You can delete this by hit delete from keyboard. If you make a change for any item and want to undo this step, here the redo and undo arrows. Click on this. So to delete any item of the template, select it and hit the delete button on the keyboard. you can make backward and forward of any item. For example, the big element here, I will unlock it and I want it over the computer screen. I select it and drag up. You see, I change the place of the big circle on front of the computer screen. I can drag it back again. So you can change any place of any item in your scene. To add another image, go here to the image icon, click on the icon. You will find all images in your library. All you need to do to search the image you want, like monitor, and hit enter. Like this monitor, I will click it. Go to layer. This media 1 image, I want to get it over. You can resize the image from these corners. Click, small it. You can put it here as you see. And also you can remove the background of the monitor and tablet and the mobile. All you need to do, click on remove background. You see, I remove the background of the image. This. And resize it again. You see what InVideo do? It's an exceptional tool. You don't need to get the image to the Photoshop and remove the background, so back it here. No. Inside InVideo, you can remove the background of the image with one click. If you want to add video, go to the video here. You have a premium video with license. For example, this video, I click on it. Once you click on the video, the trimmer is loading. To insert a part of the video, simply drag this point to set the starting point and the ending point from here. This is the video. This watermark, it will remove when you export your video, because all videos here is a premium video and licensed video, and you have the ability to use it. And here you can change the speed of the video. So when finish, click done. This is a video. We can put it here like that and drag it like that. When a video layer is selected and you click on edit tab, you can make many changes in a video. Scene media, you can change the video itself. You can edit your video with crop, with trim video, with loop video, with music or sound of the video, audio of the video. You can high level the volume or low level the volume. And here, playback speed, you can change it. Resize option, video animation, you can create animation for the video. Now we will delete this video, or we will not delete it, we will resize it and put it here, because I want to see when we export the video, you will see this watermark, it will be removed. That's why I leave it here. To upload your own video, where can you upload your video? Go to upload section here, okay, then upload media, then you have to, okay, that's where you can upload your own video, so you can edit it in InVideo. You can add another scene by click on plus scene and choose one option, blank scene or from template. If you click from template, the templates appears here in this section, and choose the template you want to add. That's how to add a new scene. When you add the template, this is the audio track of this template. But you can change the audio track of the template. How to change it? All you have to do, edit on the audio track and delete this audio track. And you have two additional tracks of audio, background music and voice over of the video. You can add a voice over of the video. To add a background music, go to music here. You can find a huge music library by music category. And if you want to add sound effects here, sound effects library, let's go to pop music. For example, because I like pop music, I don't like rock or hard rock. To listen to the music, you have to play this. Here you play the music, and to add the music in the background section here, this plus sign. You see the track music is already added. If you want to add a voice-over track, here is a voice-over icon. When you hover it with your mouse, you will see 4 items in this menu. You can add a voice-over file or record the voice-over directly, but I recommend that you record the voice-over externally with Adobe Audition, for example, and upload it here. And you can add transition between 2 scenes by click on this small box. If I click here, you will find a transition library, huge transition library. I can change the transition between the first scene and the second scene. Bold light, click on it. Let's preview. This is the preview of the video. After you finish a video editing, it's time to export your video by click on download and share. You have 2 options: 1080p to export your video in full HD, 720p to export your video in HD. I will choose 1080. Here you have 1 stock media used. I click on export. The video is loading. Here, the video in rendering phase. Render a video take minutes, and you don't need to still open your computer within rendering. And when render is finished, you will receive an email. You can see all your projects here. Now, I will leave the render, and I want you to see the projects. If I click it, go to the projects, here in the project file. And again, you can duplicate your project from here, create another one with another dimension with 1 or 2 clicks. Now the render is finished. You see your video, no watermark on the video here. Your video is done. Now you can download your video by click here. It will be downloaded. The video size is a 4 mega with a high quality full HD video. Let's go to the home screen. Let's go to the editing version. A tutorial today of InVideo was a quick overview of the InVideo application, and in the next tutorial we will focus in each section and option separately. InVideo is a perfect application who's not experienced on Premiere and After Effects or want to produce and organize your videos in minutes. Now it's time to access InVideo. Click on the link of InVideo in the description below and claim your special discount 25% by the coupon code found in the description too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial of InVideo. Don't forget to access InVideo now. InVideo link and discount coupon code 25% in the description below. If you are not a subscriber on Way to eBusiness, please click on subscribe and click on the bell to get the notification with the next video. Bye.